And let's welcome now S.Lab to the stage.
Hi, my name is Julia. I'm CEO and founder of S.Lab. The world has finally decided to change. In just a couple of years, all the packaging has to be recyclable or reusable. This means that we need to eliminate 15 billion kilograms of polystyrene produced in the packaging industry every year. SMBs and corporations are already under the pressure of sustainability regulations, green policy transition, and customers' choice, where eco-friendly packaging is a must. That's why we created S.Lab and introduced a truly green packaging solution that consists of only two plant-based components. One is agricultural waste. The other one is mycelium. Mycelium is a network of mushroom roots, and we use its binding power to create a strong and reliable material. S.Lab packaging has the same features as polystyrene in terms of durability, waterproof, and thermal insulation. But after the usage, it will fully decompose in just 30 days. So it is a natural replacement of polystyrene that can be applied in several industries, like cushioning for beauty and self-care, lodgements for electronics and devices, packaging for fashion and decor, and even thermal insulating boxes for food and pharmaceutics. So our customers can say goodbye to polystyrene and embrace power of a truly green packaging. And speaking of customers, we already have clients who rely on us for their monthly packaging needs. On top of that, we run pilots with such big companies as L'Oreal and Samsung. Moreover, we have pre-orders from our future customers, and there are some cool names, as you can see that. Currently, we are building an automated production line using our own innovative patented technology that will enable us to produce at the industrial scale. And then, to have even more exposure, we have unlocked scalability with a simple solution, where we optimize production line to fit into the 40-foot containers that will serve as the mini factories. And then mini factories will be deployed at the customer's premises. So that's where packaging is produced. This way, we go global by creating a network of the mini factories around the world. And there are two streams of revenue. One from producing packaging at our own facilities, and second from the monthly service fees from the containers around the world. Worldwide packaging market is worth 1 trillion euros per year. And by providing biodegradable polystyrene, we are going to capture 1 billion euros market share within the next 5 years. Just imagine an impact. Every time you buy your favorite cosmetics or TV set packed into S.Lab material, you make lens free from polystyrene, reduce significant amount of CO2 emissions, and save loads of water. We just recently closed our investment round of 700,000 euros and went through the acceleration program with Techstars. And our core team consists of experts in biotechnology, hardware engineering, packaging, sustainability, and logistics, who do not want to do anything else but build the future of the packaging industry. So I invite you to join our journey and come to talk to me after the show. Thank you very much. I'm Julia from S.Lab.
Awesome job, S.Lab.